Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will explore some of Rome's most iconic landmarks, the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain and the Vatican City. We arrived at Rome's Ciampino Airport and quickly made our way to the city center by bus. Our first stop was the world-famous Colosseum. Located just east of the Roman Forum, this massive stone amphitheater known as the Colosseum was commissioned around AD 70 to 72 by the Emperor Vespasian of the Flavian dynasty as a gift to the Roman people. It used to host hundreds of games, including gladiatorial combats and wild animal fights. After 4 centuries of active use, this arena fell into neglect, and up until the 18th century it was used as a source of building materials. Though 2/3 of the original Colosseum has been destroyed over time by earthquakes, this theater still remains a popular tourist destination as well as an iconic symbol of Rome. Unfortunately, we couldn't get inside the Colosseum as the queue for the tickets was too long, so we would suggest you to book the tickets online before you plan to visit, especially during the weekends. After strolling around the city, we had our lunch in a local Italian shop and then walked towards the Trevi Fountain. Designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi and completed in 1762, this masterpiece stands at the junction of 3 roads. Tre in Italy means 3 and V or Va means ways, which gave the fountain its name. The central figure of the fountain is Neptune, which was considered as the god of the sea. And according to the legends, if you toss a coin over your left shoulder into the fountain, you are guaranteed to return to Rome. stop was Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world and the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. Established in 1929, Vatican City is home to some of the world's most famous religious and cultural sites. Basilica, with its stunning dome designed by Michelangelo, is also a must-see when you are inside the Vatican City. Thanks for watching our video. If you have enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Ciao for now.